In this video, we are going to see how we can take the backup of any company in Teleprime. As we can see here, we are currently working on Empire Textiles. So if I want to take the backup of this or any other company, here's what you can do. So from the gateway of Tele, from the main screen, on the top, we can see the data option. Just click here and click on backup. I'll select that. Backup destination path. That means where do you want to save your backup? If I want to save it in C drive, I can save it here. Otherwise, it's preferred to keep it anywhere else like an external hard disk or so. But right now I only have the C drive connected. So I'll just choose C for the sake of example. And I'll just write here Tele backups. Now this folder doesn't exist. Let me just see that if it is able to create it from here or not. If I press enter, hit enter, it says that this folder doesn't exist. Do you want to create it? Yes. And as we can see, the folder is created just like that. Now I want to choose this as a backup destination folder. And on my right, I can see the list of companies where I can take the backup. So in Tele, it is possible to take the multiple companies backups at the same time. So I'll choose Empire Textiles. Let me just choose Elite Traders as well. And I want to save and take the backup of both. But otherwise, if you want only one, you can simply go to the second line and click on end of list. So that chooses only one right here. But I want both. So end of list now and click accept. Yes. And now I simply go to C drive and here we have Tele backups and here is my two backups right here. So this is how we can take the backups in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.